Hi viewers, teachers, students, wishes to all. This is MU's Kalviamuthu channel. Welcome to our class. Refresher course module 7th standard English. Today's topic is adjectives, which was given in the pages 35 to 37. Our topic is adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes or qualifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. It gives additional information about what the noun or the pronoun refers to. It usually comes right before the noun that it modifies. It normally indicates quality, size, shape and feelings, etc. Adjective அப்படின்றது பெயர் உரிச்சொல் என்று தமிழில் சொல்கிறோம். அதாவது ஒரு பெயர் சொல்லையோ அல்லது பிரதி பெயர் சொல்லையோ பற்றி சுட்டி காட்டுவது, விவரிப்பது, இல்லை அதை சிறப்பிக்கும் விதமாக அமைவது. இதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், adjective அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். There are 6 kinds of adjectives are given in our module. Our first one is descriptive adjective. It means qualitative adjective. It describes the quality of a noun. For example, I have a wooden chair in my room. ஒரு பெயர்ச்சொல் அல்லது பிரதி பெயர்ச்சொல்லுடைய தன்மை எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. I am a happy person. Then quantitative adjective. It indicates a number of quantity. For example, the forest has 2,500 animals. He spent all his money for his sister's studies. Some adjectives of quantities are some, small, enough, all, any, no, much, more, sufficient, whole, great, little, half. These are the quantity of a thing signifies in this adjective type. Then demonstrative adjective. It modifies a noun or pronoun by emphasizing its importance. For example, this, that, these, those. For example, that man is honest. This man is cruel. Those apples are tasty. I love such things. This car is mine. Then distributive adjective. It denotes each person, place, animal or a thing in a group separately. There are 4 distributive adjectives are there. Each, either, neither, every. Each, every, neither, either. For example, each girl gets a chance. Drink water after each meal. Drink water after each meal. Then possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicates the possession of the noun. Example, my, our, your, his, their, her and its. My bag is on the chair. Our school is the best school. She is his sister. Like this. The model examples are, my cycle was stolen yesterday. Then last one, interrogative adjectives. It modifies a noun by asking a question. Example, what, which, whose. Among the 9 basic interrogative words, only these 5 interrogative words, that means what, which, whose, how many, how much, are often used with a noun to ask questions. Hence, they are called interrogative adjectives. For example, what's your problem? Note is this. Whose note is this? How many apples did they buy? How much milk do you drink daily? Whose book is this? Which pen do you like more? So, these are the types of adjectives: qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. and interrogative adjective. Then we move on the next one. Find out the adjectives from the following sentence. I have bought enough sugar. Our options are have enough sugar. What is the adjective? Enough. Enough is a quantity adjective. The way is long and the wind is cold. Our options are way, long, wind. It is the descriptive adjective. Third one, Arun won the first prize. Our options are won first prize. All the numbers of adjective, it is called numeral adjectives. Fourth question is, the flight suffered heavy damage. Our options are heavy, flight, damage. Heavy is the adjective, it is quality adjective. A small leak can sink a great ship. Our options are leak, sink, great. Great is the correct option. It is adjectives of quantity. Move on the next topic. Read the story. Identify the underline the adjectives in it. Once upon a time there was a crow. It had 2 pieces of fresh meat. A hungry fox came there. Its mouth watered when it saw the meat. Fox thought of a plan to get it. It prized that the crow's voice was melodious. Fox asked him to sing a song. When the crow opened its mouth to sing, the piece of meat fell down. The fox ate it and went away. This is the story. You have to identify the underline the adjectives. Fresh, hungry, melodious are the adjectives. Then move on the third Roman. Match the following sentences with the kinds of adjectives and then pick out the adjectives from the sentences and write in the space given. So first of all we fill in the match. Mumbai is a big city. Kumar ate some rice. Each student has to attend the class. Each student has to attend the class. These grapes are sour. Which way shall I go? These are the A side. Mumbai is a big city. It is qualitative adjectives. Kumar ate some rice. Some. Quantitative adjective. Each student has to attend the class. Each. Distributive adjectives. These grapes are sour. These. Demonstrative adjectives. Which way shall I go? Which? Interrogative adjectives. Match was over. Then pick out the adjectives from the sentences and write in the space given. Mumbai is a big city. Demonstrative adjective. Which sentence is these grapes are sour? Qualitative adjectives. Mumbai is a big city. Interrogative adjectives. Which way shall I go? Quantitative adjective. Kumar ate some rice. Quantitative adjective. Kumar ate some rice. Distributive adjective. Each student has to attend the class. Let's move on the fourth Roman. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Dash mangoes look yellow. I have dash eyes. Do you live with dash parents? Dash sister is she. My mother is a dash lady. Our first one is those mangoes look yellow. It is demonstrative adjective. You have to use those, these. Those or these. Those mangoes look yellow or these mangoes look yellow. I have big eyes. I have big eyes. It is a descriptive adjectives or quality adjectives. Do you live with my parents? It is possessive adjectives. Do you live with my parents? It is possessive adjective. Then whose sister is she? Whose? Interrogative adjectives. My mother is a naughty lady. My mother is a naughty lady. It is adjectives of quality. Then move on the fifth Roman. Make sentences using the following adjectives. Our first option is which, tall, my, this, many. Our answers are, which pen do you prefer? Tall, she is a tall girl. My purse is on the table. This man is taller than Raj. Many boys practiced in the drawing competition. These are the assessment part. Hope you are all understood, children. Got it this topic. Keep on watching. We will see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Do subscribe our channel.